In this video, we can see the connectors of the ILC2 version with connectors. In the diagram, you can see the relay outputs, number 1 and number 2, the cabin display, the disabling input connectors, and the power supply connectors. All the numbers that you see in the diagram are also written on every connector. On the left hand side, you can see relay number 1, connectors 1 and 2, relay number 2, connectors 3 and 4, and cabin display connectors 9 and 10. And on the right hand side, you can see the disabling input connectors number 5 and 6, and the power supply connectors number 7 and 8.